you waiting for? Just do it. Don't think about it. Just do it. If you want to start it, just do it.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say
Hello my T babies, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. You already know. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also turn on that bell so you won't miss any videos that I upload. And I just want to say thank you for all my new subscribers and even my old subscribers for coming back to my channel, because y'all didn't have to, but y'all did, and I'm so grateful and thankful for that. I know I said that in the last video, but I am really truly grateful and thankful. But in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, I am going to be telling you guys or giving you some advice on how to start your YouTube channel in 2022. Okay? So y'all, so today, I just got a brain fart. Lord have mercy. Okay, so in today's video, you okay? Okay. So y'all, today's video, I'm going to be telling y'all how to get started on your YouTube channel. First, think about what you're going to do. Think about what you want to do. You want to have a vlogging channel, couples channel, you know, a channel by yourself where you be doing your hair, vlogs, all that type of girly stuff. Or you could be doing gaming if you're a man, or any, you don't necessarily have to be a man to do gaming, or you know, it could be any gender. You want to do gaming. And for my fellas, if y'all want to do, I just can't say for fellas, because whatever fellas can do, ladies can do too. Just like watching basketball, reviewing basketball, people playing 2K, girls can do that too. So it's no specific thing or what you can do, but just figure out what you want to do, if it's a vlog channel, anything like that. Let me pinpoint this out. You do not, let me repeat, you do not need a camera to start a YouTube channel. I know a lot of people now, majority of the days, have iPhones 11. I was trying to find my phone. This. You have an iPhone 11, 12, 10, 13, whatever iPhone you got, use it, because the camera is the best. Like this iPhone camera is good. You don't need a expensive camera to start a YouTube channel. And if you gonna do your YouTube channel off your phone, use the back camera. The back camera is the best. And then you can record in 4K. You can change the settings on here. And when you take the pictures, right, it's in the top. When you go to the videos, in the top right hand corner, you can change it to 4K and you can put it on 60. That's what that's what it needs to be set on. Also, you have iMovie on your phone to edit your videos. If you don't know how to edit your videos, come right over here to YouTube. Learn how to edit, because that's what I did. Didn't nobody edit my videos for me. I was up when me and my fiance first started our channel, our couples channel. I was up on YouTube all night figuring out how to make thumbnails and how to edit YouTube videos. That's all y'all need to type in on YouTube. Come to YouTube and do that. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna find a lot of videos. It's gonna take some time. Practice makes perfect. It's gonna take some time, but you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. I got it. If I could do it, you could do it. And y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is like I made so many channels because I could have been where I wanted to be, but I was so discouraged and I wasn't consistent. It was really being discouraged, because I used to post videos all the time. I was very, very consistent, but I deleted the channel so many times because I wasn't where I wanted to be. And I know it takes some time. So now that I know that, I'm not stopping. So if I could do it, you could do it too. If there's nobody to watch, it don't matter. Keep doing your thing. Somebody's gonna see it, and one day those numbers are gonna come that you want to see, and those subscribers are gonna come that you want to see. Just be patient. That's what I had to tell myself, because I'm an impatient person when it comes to stuff like this. I don't want to wait. I want to right there and there, like happen overnight type stuff, and I know it don't work like that. But yeah, get you one of these. Five Below has these. Go to Five Below, get you one. This is just to stay organized. Video ideas. things that you want to work on. You can write your goals down in here, stuff like that. What else I need to tell you about? Don't be boring. Be yourself. Don't try to be nobody else. Be yourself. And just like show your personality. Show you. If people don't accept you for you, oh well. They don't have to subscribe to your channel. It's gonna be other people out there that likes how you do things or likes your personality or even like you for you. It don't matter. They'll subscribe to your channel, but other people, don't worry about them. And you can't be scared. You know, nowadays I see a lot of people on Facebook saying that they go by popularity and who they support. It don't matter. It's a lot of people that you don't know in this world that's willing to or gonna support you. So just do it. Don't be scared. That's what I used to be scared of. But I was like, I'm not scared no more. I'm finna do it. So I don't care what people say about me. I'm still gonna do me. Don't worry about nobody talking about you, because at the end of the day, a lot of people gonna talk about you. You can't stop them from saying what they want to say. So just ignore them and keep doing you. When you get up there, then they're gonna be like, why was I, they're gonna be like, they still gonna hate because first you up there. And now they talking about you. Those be the ones that need your help in the end, okay? So don't worry about them. Let them keep doing what they do. Just focus on yourself. Okay, and another thing is, get you a ring light. You can go on Amazon. Get a ring light. It don't matter. If you don't have a ring light or if you can't afford a ring light right now, do it during the day when the sun is out and beaming. Open those blinds and get in front of that window and record your videos. Natural light is the best light. Like I'm using natural light right now in my room. The blind's not even open. It's just bright in here. So I'm using a natural light, and I'm also using a camera. But it took me a while to get a camera because I was doing everything off my iPhone. Editing on iMovie, like I just told y'all. Recording my phone. I was recording on my fiance iPhone, any phone, because the storage get taken up fast with those videos. So I was just doing anything I possibly could. I didn't have a ring light. Like I said, I used to open the blinds around the house, and I used to get to it. So y'all, don't delay anymore. Just do it, y'all. Do it. You don't need to get no intro right away. Once you get up there, you can learn how to do your own intros on YouTube too, or you can find somebody on Instagram and you can do it. You can have them, to make you an intro, y'all. It don't have to be, you don't have to be fancy dancy when you just starting, because I know I wasn't, y'all. I mean, it is what it is. At the end of the day, all this stuff gonna come. But like I was saying, don't be boring, be you. Show your personality. If you funny, be funny. It be like how you is with your friends, anything like that, y'all. Because I'm telling you, that's what people want to see. Don't try to be like nobody else. Be yourself. Because don't copycat. And if you want to do like other videos that people doing, do those videos. But don't copy what they're doing. You can copy what they're doing, but make it stand out. Like, put some spices on it. Some stuff that they not doing. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared. It's 2022. We all gonna eat. We gonna go up. So y'all, I'm telling y'all to make that channel today. Make it today. You can even go on YouTube. Type up YouTube video ideas. They'll give you a whole list of 50 ideas that you want to do. It's a lot of stuff that you can do. A lot of stuff people want to see different. Like I said, like twice. Like night routines and morning routines. Everybody's night routine and morning routines are not the same. They are different. People want to see what do other people do differently in their morning and night routines. So what you waiting for? Do it. Do it. And far as thumbnails, go on YouTube, type up, I already said the how to make thumbnails. You can make thumbnails from your phone with these apps called Phonto, 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 or Superimpose X. Or you can even go to the store and type in your Google Play Store or Apple Store, whatever type of phone you got. Type in YouTube thumbnail maker, or just type in thumbnail maker. Pop up, put your picture in there, put whatever you want to put on there. There you go. Use that until you can afford to pay somebody to do it, or learn how to do it professionally yourself. It doesn't matter. I used to use thumbnail maker too from my phone, you know, the app. Also with intros, you can make an intro. Go on there, the Play Store, whatever store you got, type in and YouTube intro maker. You got music on there. It got what's the things called, the templates you can use, different templates you can use. Y'all go do it. Don't waste no more time, because you wasting time just by not doing it. Excuse me. Go ahead. I keep looking over there because my daughter writing in my book. Go ahead, get that YouTube channel started. Don't wait no more. And then if y'all need extra help, I'm just giving y'all the game right now, because then nobody give it to me. I had to learn it for myself, y'all. You feel me? If you want to extra help, like put tags on your videos so you can possibly rank your videos so people can see them. Because so many people on YouTube, like if you're doing the same video as somebody else, is more than likely a lot of people that did that video already, and your video gonna be at the bottom. So put tags on your videos, y'all. You need to invest in TubeBuddy and also vidIQ. Those two will help you. All you gotta do is type in your name in your video. They're gonna pop up tags what you need to put in your video, and boom, there you go. You put them tags on your video, upload that video. Don't matter if you get 3 views. Don't matter about those numbers. At least those 3 people or those 5 people seeing it, and more people is I'm sorry, I thought something. More people is going to see it. So just do it. We not quitting. We sticking to it, y'all. So let's go. What you waiting for? This is the end of this video. I want y'all to comment under this video if you're starting a YouTube channel and what your channel is gonna be about. I will subscribe to y'all channel. I'm not stingy like that, y'all. Now come on. You help me, I help y'all. That's how I go. We family. So y'all my T-babies. So comment under this video if you want to start a YouTube channel and what your YouTube channel is going to be about. No, not be about. Yeah, what your YouTube channel is going to be about. Also, comment under this video some video ideas y'all want me to do. I need video ideas from you guys. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. My name is going to be in the description down below. My website is on hold for a minute. I got some things to upload. I think I'm going to be becoming a wholesale vendor, lip gloss vendor. So if you're interested in that, let me know down below. Say I'm interested. But without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'm out. See you girl in the next video.